Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch to the internet. First, let's cover Wi-Fi. Your Apple Watch can automatically join Wi-Fi networks that your paired iPhone has connected to before. For this to work, your iPhone needs to be within range and connected to that network. Remember, your Apple Watch primarily uses 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so ensure your network is compatible for the best experience. This seamless connection allows your watch to stay online, even when your iPhone isn't right next to it. To manually connect your Apple Watch to a new Wi-Fi network, simply open the Settings app on your watch. Scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Your watch will then scan for available networks. Select the network you wish to join. If it's a secured network, you'll be prompted to enter the password using the digital crown and the on-screen keyboard. Once connected, your watch will remember this network and automatically join it whenever your iPhone is out of range, providing continuous internet access. Next, let's explore cellular connectivity for your Apple Watch. If you have a cellular model, your watch can connect to the internet and make calls entirely on its own, without your iPhone nearby. This incredible freedom requires an active cellular plan, usually an add-on to your existing iPhone plan from your mobile carrier. With cellular, you can stream music, receive notifications, and stay connected during a run or swim, offering true independence. It's a powerful feature for staying connected on the go. Activating cellular service for your Apple Watch is straightforward. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, tap the My Watch tab, then select Cellular. From there, you can set up your plan with your carrier. It's important to confirm your mobile provider supports Apple Watch Cellular in your area. If you ever encounter connectivity problems, a simple restart of both your Apple Watch and iPhone can often resolve minor glitches, ensuring you maintain a reliable internet connection wherever you are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.